Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall an app in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. Now first, what you need to do is we want to uninstall this software here, which is Audacity. Now to uninstall that, you go to your settings, click on start, and then click on the settings, or you press Windows key plus I to open the settings. Once the settings is opened, you go to your apps here. And as we are having the apps interface, you go to apps and features, click on that, and these are the apps available. So if you want to install any app on your computer, you can just now let's if you can just uninstall it from this space. So let's see how to uninstall Audacity on from our computer. So this is Audacity here as we are having it here, which is 87.9 megabyte here. So you see this three dot line. So click on the three dot and you see we have uninstall. So we click on uninstall. Or one other way is you can go to control panel, click on your start button and search for control panel. So in the control panel, you go to programs, and then programs and features. And these are the programs available. So you can what this here is the Audacity. When you click on this, you click on uninstall. But let's use the Microsoft settings to uninstall that. Now here, as we have the Audacity here, so you click on this the three dot and then click on the uninstall and uninstall here. So you click on yes to accept to uninstall. Are you sure you want to completely remove Audacity from this component? Yes. And yes, some elements could not be removed. So as you can see here, Audacity has been successfully removed. So if we go back to the control panel once again, search for control panel here once again. When you open it, go to your programs and features, and then you can see Audacity is no more available on our computer. So guys, that is how to uninstall uh, any app on your computer. If you are having any app which is worrying you on your computer and you want to uninstall it, this is just the process to uninstall it. Guys, thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.